guys and girls, this is KRISTIN, a wig by Jon Renau in the Smart Lace collection. KRISTIN is a very popular style that gets 4- and 5-star reviews from wearers. She's a chic, classy, straight style bob, beautiful smart lace front that looks very natural. Now, while she has just a basic top with a little bit of permatease, she's nonetheless very realistic looking. The cooling ventilation of the open cap and this beautiful new Jon Renau California Blonde collection color, Palm Springs Blonde, are both perfect for summer. Well, let's take a closer look at this gorgeous wig. Here is the box that KRISTIN arrives in. KRISTIN's cap features smart lace in the front. It is virtually undetectable and provides a gorgeous natural looking hairline. You have a comfort band, and then you have open wefts here at the top and crown, which also has a moderate amount of permatease. Permatease gives the style volume and it helps hide the wefts. The velvet-lined ear tabs are adjustable. You have open wefts at the sides and the back for air circulation and all-day comfortable wear. The cap does stretch, providing an almost custom-like fit. On either side of the thin velvet-lined nape are Velcro adjustable straps. Well, here is KRISTIN, and I just think this style is adorable. It's very polished, sleek look, very youthful as well. The cap size on KRISTIN is average. My head is 22 inches in diameter, which is considered average, and KRISTIN fits me perfectly right out of the box. Now, while there is some stretch to the cap, I don't know that she would be suitable for someone with a larger than average head. KRISTIN's fiber is 100% Japanese-made Moda acrylic fiber. It has the look, feel, and texture of human hair. KRISTIN has temple-to-temple smart lace in the front, and this hairline is very realistic looking in my opinion. However, this particular wig has some crimping just right here at the hairline. So I don't know if you would want to wear off the face styling and have this show. While there's no lace part or monofilament part, you do have a moderate amount of permatease. And because this is a rooted color, it gives the impression of a part. Let's take a look at this lovely style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. I love KRISTIN's natural movement. Very realistic. Right side. Now let's talk about measurements. KRISTIN's bang measures 7.5 inches long. The crown measures 10.5 inches long. The sides are 7 inches long. And the nape is 3.5 inches long. Weighing only 3.7 ounces, KRISTIN is a pleasure to wear, sun up to sundown. Now let's talk about this fabulous new Jon Renau California Blonde collection color, Palm Springs Blonde. The color number is FS17/101S18, and this is the cool ash medium blonde that many of you have been asking for. Palm Springs Blonde is a cool medium ash blonde with icy platinum highlights and dark ash blonde roots. If you want a pale ashy blonde without dipping into the gray palette, you will love this color. Here is the color Palm Springs Blonde in Natural Light. You do have some styling options with KRISTIN. She looks fantastic tucked behind the ear. You can always add a headband for interest, or if you don't like the fringe covering your face, you can always clip her back with a barrette for a cute look. I also recommend that you use a wide tooth comb on your wigs. You don't want to brush them. Brushing will damage the fiber and your wig will not last as long, so be sure to invest in a wide tooth comb. If you're interested in purchasing KRISTIN, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They have great customer service and free shipping. If you have questions about KRISTIN or the color Palm Springs Blonde, please leave them in the comments section below. I'm more than happy to answer. If you wear KRISTIN and you have experience with this wig or the color, we would love to hear from you. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.